How to use Clio legal workflow automation properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. How's legal workflow automation can save law firms hours, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that led to mistrust, miscommunication, or client dissatisfaction. The first mistake is setting up workflows too broadly. Automation works best when steps are clearly defined. Big workflows can result in skipped actions or confusion. Another common error is failing to test workflows. Running a live case without testing can uncover mistakes too late. Always test with a sample client or matter before full implementation. Many users neglect updating workflows. Law firm processes evolve, and outdated workflows can create inefficiencies. Review and adjust workflows regularly to reflect current practices. Skipping user training is another pitfall. Team members must understand how automation triggers tasks, deadlines, and notifications. Provide clear instructions and training sessions. Finally, some assume automation replaces oversight. Automated workflows are powerful, but human review is still necessary for quality control and client satisfaction. To use Clio legal workflow automation properly, define steps clearly, test workflows, update regularly, train staff, and maintain oversight. Avoid these mistakes, and your firm will save time, reduce errors, and deliver better client service.